Alright, welcome guys back to another video. So in this video we're going to be taking the frame out. So we're going to do step by step. So first I'm going to disconnect the AC is here. We have to disconnect the heater hoses. These are going into we have to disconnect everything that's touching the body. Disconnect these two lines. Since we are putting a new frame, the bleeder cylinder and all that doesn't matter. I'll show you guys. We gotta disconnect 1, 2, this one. We gotta disconnect the e-brake, the tranny cable. First, I'm gonna start on the cable work. Disconnect these two cables, these 3 bolts, and then at the bottom, you disconnect. There's one with a bolt. You disconnect. Once you disconnect this, the top part stays with the cab and then the rest doesn't. I have the computer right here, so let me get with that. Alright guys, so we disconnected the fuse box. Now that we disconnected the fuse box, this is ready. Now we have to follow these wires, these two, you see those two? So this one, it's this one. I disconnected it already. So now you gotta disconnect it from, you see there's more cables. So we got all the major components disconnected, all the harnesses. So this is for the cab, that is for the ABS and brake system. This is the computer. Throw this harness all the way on top of the engine and get it out of the way. So I'm not gonna drain none of this stuff yet because I need to get more buckets for my coolant and oil when I take that out. Welcome back, part 2. So I removed the fender and look how wobbly it is now. Alright guys, next step is drain the coolant. And I gotta decide where. So blue zip ties are for the right side. I got my little bucket here. Alright guys, I did it. Look. I just needed to put music. You see that sticking out? So now you just put your clip there, your pick, and just push it out. Okay, so I have it with my finger, and you see? Easy. Did I take it out? Yeah. Slide it out. You see? I knew it. I knew it. Okay guys, so next step is removing the harness. Oh, and then I gotta remove these 2 lines. These. Okay guys, so this is a 19, but since it's broken, we don't have to do nothing. Alright, so next step is we gotta remove this. So this is probably a 10mm. Guys, I just deleted all that. So I disconnected the harness, but I didn't know it was disconnected. So this is the right side. These are the lights. Then the negatives, these are connected to the headlights, which are right here. I labeled them left and right. Now next step is I'm gonna disconnect the steering thingy. And I also read something, when you disconnect it, you can't move the front without, it's gonna, something with a spring. So I don't want to mess with that either way. And it just rusted on. So now I gotta go to the freaking this. Take what, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts out. I just got humbled. Oh my pinky. That 15mm is gone.